Hi and welcome. In this short video, we're going to look at how to use the search function in Outlook and how to make your searches faster and more accurate. Let's start with the basics. In Outlook, the search bar is usually found at the top of the screen. To start searching, simply click into the search bar and type a word, a phrase, or some keywords. For example, we can search with the name of a vessel. In our case with the vessel Oceanus. Outlook will then try to find the most relevant emails based on what you typed. But here's the thing, basic searches often return too many results. Sometimes, way more than you actually need. That can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to find one specific email. So, how can we make our searches smarter? Well, when you click inside the search bar, you'll notice a search ribbon appears at the top. This ribbon gives you several tools to narrow down your search. One of the most important tools here is something called Scope. Now, what does Scope do? It lets you define where Outlook should look. By default, when you're inside the inbox and you run a search, Outlook searches your entire mailbox, not just the inbox. This includes all folders, even other folders, like My Department or Other Departments or any other folder you have created under your inbox. If you only want to search within the inbox, go to the Scope section in the ribbon and click Current Folder. This will tell Outlook to look only in the folder you're currently in. Interestingly, if you're in any other folder besides the inbox, Outlook automatically sets the scope to Current Folder. So in those cases, the search is already more focused by default. Want to make this behavior your permanent default? No problem. Just go to the File tab, then click Options, then Search, and change the default search settings there. That way, Outlook will always start with the scope you prefer. Now, let's talk about filters. Besides the scope, you can also apply search filters to get more precise results. For example, if you're looking for emails that have attachments, just click the attachments icon. Need to find a message from someone specific? Click on From and type their name or email address. You can also filter by subject, recipient, or even words in the body of the email. These filters are all available right in the search ribbon. And here's a useful tip. On the right side of the search bar, there's a small arrow. Clicking this opens a drop-down panel with even more filter options like From, Subject, Has Attachments, and more. You can also customize which fields show up in that panel. Just click Add More Options, and you'll be able to choose which fields you want to include or remove. Once you set them up, they'll stay there, making your future searches even easier. So to sum up, use the Scope tool to control where Outlook searches. Apply filters to target what Outlook should find. And customize your search options to match the way you work. Mastering these simple tools can save you a lot of time and help you find the exact emails you're looking for, faster and with less effort. Thanks for watching.